Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to download and install the Telegram app, then watch this video. So just let's open Microsoft Store and we will look for Telegram desktop. Open this and just click on get. I have it on my desktop, so it comes as open, but you click on get and it should download. Now if you would not like to download from Windows Store, then just look for the Telegram desktop and you can click on download here if you're using Edge, or if you're not using Edge, go to Telegram desktop and you can click on get Telegram for Windows 64. If you do not have a Windows 64, then you should look for other Windows, but let me tell you how can you check if you are using a Windows 64 or not. Look for system information, then on system type, I am using an x64 based PC. If you are using an x64 based PC too, then you can download Windows x64. If you're using an x86 based PC, it's a 32-bit, so you need to look for the other Windows option. Or if you're using an ARM64 also, you need to get Telegram for Windows portable version here. But I am using Telegram for x64, so I'll click on this and then I will download it. And once it downloads, I will open the folder, click run, right click on it, run as administrator, and then follow the instructions to install the app. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.